need to go somewhere. I'm fading in the air. Can't find myself down there. I need to go somewhere.
Some of these shots, we got to earn them. We're not just doing a simple everyday thing. Now, look at this. That curl down there. It's like an incline. I can't see it, but I can see it. My legs are going to feel it. Wow. Oh my God. But it's worth it. Nobody out here. Nobody out here but us. Out in some wilderness place, having fun, doing what we doing. Mama, where you at? See, she made it here. She got her Nike on, kind of style. Yeah, so. Say cheese. Cheese. Look at you, Belle. Daddy loves his Belle. All right, guys, we're gonna just keep hiking until we get where we're going. What are you doing today? Bye.
Bye.
Bye.